Hello, painters. Oh my gosh. So we were doing the color match game yesterday, and so much fun. Today I have my painting here that I was testing colors on, and I'm gonna write my name on the back of this because they all kind of look crazy and the same. So I'm done with the color match game, and if you've never done the color match game before, so fun. I'll have some links on the description. So anyway, now I've got a giant brush, kind of a bigger brush, medium-ish, and a small brush. And I'm going to be painting the alphabet on this piece of paper, and it's going to become abstracted as we go, changed as we go. So I'm going to start with my favorite letter, M. And you don't have to put these on in any certain order, but because I love M so much, I'm going to make it really big. And you know, you might be able to see this at the end, but we're going to change this as it goes, because that's what abstracting is all about, is just changing something from one thing to another. And we don't want that dry, no. So I put a little water on my brush, and I'm just getting a nice line. And you know what, I'm going to get a little fancy with my oh yeah, that's a lovely M. And I think I'm gonna kind of do the same thing over here. Make it be twinsy on each side. Oh yeah. All right. Now I'm gonna do the rest of the alphabet, and I think I'm gonna let my big brush rest because I don't want the rest of my letters to be big. I want them to be medium and small. All right, so here I go, and I'm gonna I could do capital letters. I could do lowercase, whatever you want. But these are gonna be my, and I'm gonna try to maybe have them touch. Okay, so I'm gonna make it kind of big, and yep, I got some touching going on there. A, B, C. I think I'm gonna go over here for D. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna fast forward this, and I think you guys will get the gist of it. It's pretty easy. All right, switching from my teeny brush to my medium brush. All right, so there you have it, painters. I've got my favorite letter, which maybe is your name part, maybe not, and it's in the big brush. And then I've got several smaller letters and several medium letters, okay? And my letters are big, going off the edge, touching each other, touching the edge. Nobody's little in the middle, sad, alone. Everybody's got kind of some friends around them. And I'm gonna let this dry. So this is part 1. Thanks for watching. All right, artists, we're back here with our alphabet abstract painting. And I've got a palette of primary colors and white. I'm not using black today because I've got black already on here. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip from my palettes and mix over here. I'm not mixing over here. Okay, so with a nice wet brush, I'm gonna pull up some white and I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna pre-whiten this area. Okay, and I'm gonna go off the edge. And then I'm just gonna take a touch of pink, red, and it will make pink, okay? And so I'm just gonna paint some of that over here, just like so. And just kind of bring that through here. I should have had table paper, huh? Oopsie. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little more water on my brush to extend the paint. And I think I'll just kind of use that up right here, okay? And maybe a little here. All right, now my brush is pretty much clean. So I'm gonna put a little bit more white on my brush and I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna dip into the blue, just a tiny little amount of blue, not very much blue. Okay, just like that. Put some water on so it stays nice and fluid. And we'll put a line right here. Keep it wet, keep it moving. And I'm just gonna fill with the color on my brush. All right, so now dip in the white again. I'm gonna come right in here. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of yellow. Just like so. And now we're gonna do some yellow. Put some yellow in here, nice bright lemony. That's good. Just keep extending that. Go. Extend it down here. Use what's on my brush with a little water. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little more water on my brush. Then I'm gonna come over here. And I'm gonna put white down first. And just come in here, pre-white. And now I'm gonna pick up a little yellow and a little bit of red, like that, and come over here, and we know that that's how we get orange. So this is kind of more of a reddish orange, and I think I'm gonna come put some over here. Again, using lots of water, keeping it fluid. Pick up some more over here. And do a little in here. Go, and I think I'm gonna do a little right here. Keeping it fluid. All right. So now I have a clean brush again, dip and flip in the white, and I think I'm gonna move my painting around here because I'm a lefty and I don't want to drip across this. Okay, So I think I'm gonna pre-whiten here. I think you guys are getting the idea, yeah? So I'm gonna fast forward this so you have more painting time. And you can watch what I do here real quick. Yeah, that's right, purple. Okay, so there I have my painting. And now what I want to do is let this dry. This is day 2. And we're going to come back tomorrow and put a little bit of texture on it and just kind of put another layer of stuff on it to make it look even more special. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back